Kangaroos. Hope you can see them. They're pretty good. They're everywhere today. Up there as well. Lots of them. Man, they're everywhere. So guys, what I'm doing today is a couple of things. I'm running the Osmo Action 3 camera. I'm checking out the audio side of things. Look at the fog through there. It is wet. I'm soaked. I've had some nice warm breakfast, so I'm feeling a bit better. I'm going to go down the different car park. Got to be careful of the roos because they're everywhere. Some of those roos weigh 50-60 kilos. But the rain has stopped for the moment, which is good. I've got about 2 hours worth of riding time before it's back again, I think. So I've got to get this done quickly and then head home. It's Monday. I'm on my roster day off today. Oh, look at that. If you can see it up through there. The fog. It's definitely damp and cold. So this is also an audio test. I have a new, like I suppose you would call it a media mod for the Osmo. So what I'm going to do is just quickly now, I have been here before, as you all know, if you've followed any of my videos, earlier videos. This is the top side of the Mundaring Weir Dam. I think the last time I came over this side it was blowing a gale. Well, the water line's pretty low. If you can see up off in the hills there, it is just foggy. Yep, it's a beautiful spot, but I'm cold and I'm damp. Alrighty, so this is a double-sided video, technically. One is to check out the audio because I've got this new media adapter on the microphone system set up to the Osmo Action 3, which is made for the Osmo Action 4, but it works, which is good. What else have I got? And I got the news, a bit dirty, so you can see it. I've got a new radiator guard. Where that's coming from. Hopefully it's just water. Yeah, so there you can see it's made by Radguard. Man, the bike is filthy. Absolutely filthy. Huh. Radiator's a bit hot. That's all, or is it coming off the pipes? Huh, don't know. It's filthy regardless. So it was clean, spotless yesterday. Look at it, filthy under there too. It got soaked. This tail tidy is shit. Look at the back of the bike. Absolutely filthy. My ass is soaked. Alright, let's go. Got to get home before it starts bucketing down like it did before. Well, the camera is still working, which is good. That got a bit wet. So I tried the audio the other day on this and I had the gain turned up a little bit. So now I've actually turned it down more than double of what it was before, because before it was a little bit peaky. It's definitely cold and wet. Was it 12.5 degrees? Celsius. So when you're on a bike, you can half that. Yeah, if you're a bike rider, you would know. Okay, be careful of the kangaroos. I'm not going to argue with them things, they're too big. It's foggy. Oh, they're still there. Oh, there's a duck. Kangaroos and ducks. And parrots. It's like a zoo. Ducks spin me out, eh? They're just so, like, I don't give a shit attitude. Come on, little ducks. Thank you. See ya. Kangaroos, there we go. Hey. Still don't know where he's going. Oh, it's gone down there. See you, buddy. Please don't more jump out in front of me. That would suck. Alright. Look at that, all foggy and stuff through there. Foresty, cold and damp and spooky. So these tyres are pretty good. Even in the wet, they're actually right. Mind you, I'm not going ballistic like I could. I haven't put it in rain mode. I'm only riding it in sport mode. He was there before when I rode down that way. Oh, the sun's poking through. It's the first time this morning. Oh, these tyres are pretty good in these conditions. So we're pretty much 2/3 of the way through winter here in Perth, which I am grateful for. I'm not a big fan of this time of the year as a rider. I'd much rather ride in dry conditions and not get soaked all the time. And I really hope this audio is working out. I had it the other day and it was just, the motorcycle and the background noise was good, it was my voice. It was a little bit sort of distorted. So I will do a review of this camera once I get it all set up properly. I'm still using the GoPro every now and then. But GoPro is slowly losing my sort of business due to the lack of quality now. Sorry GoPro, but I'm pretty sure millions of other users will agree with me. Yep, looks like it's going to start raining again. Yep, it's raining up through there. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the camera off for a while now. We'll take it up again soon.